I think after a few months, maybe even a year of doing that, I just realized I needed some help to get to where I could have my sanity and time back. Hey guys, I'm Andrew Henninger in Alabama, and my practice name is West Madison Dental. I bought a really busy practice in 2023. It was open 5 days a week. I was having to work 5 days. I had an associate that was part time. And I think I was just getting burnt out, trying to keep up with the pace of things just to make sure we were breaking even and doing what we needed to. Before I joined 3D, I was doing a couple things on my own, trying to just educate myself through podcasts, different things like that. And then I had a consultant. My brother, who's a dentist, was with a group, and I tried joining his group, and it just wasn't working for our practice. And then I found 3D dentists after that. I think what really drew me to 3D dentists after the consulting group I was with before was they had not only their consulting side, but they also had clinical accelerators that help you bring in kind of what they were teaching you in their fundamentals and a new clinical skill to bring into the practice. And they married together really well. And then the other thing that really drew me to T-Bone and Sully is the amount of technology that they used and taught, because I had a lot of technology in my office and wanted to continue to grow and use those things. So I was really just attracted to being able to have a coach that also had a clinical background and was using the things that I wanted to start growing with. In our office, so I think what gave me the control back and allowed me not to feel like I was on that hamster wheel, probably a couple things. One main thing was really their fundamental of the scheduling blocks. So one doctor, one chair really helped me take control of my time, and then trying to do more for each patient and each visit instead of seeing as many patients as I could really helped take control of my production while still seeing less patients per day. So I think that, the combination of how we blocked our schedule and then doing more on one patient made it seem less hectic, less frantic, and really just, I don't know, gave me my peace and sanity back for a little while, which then allowed me to pour back into the business and continue to grow. Having started 3D dentist, my life is now easier for me to just be present when I'm at home. I think I have more time built into my day at work to get things done to where I'm not bringing that home with me. I think it was our first mastermind visit. T-Bone told this story about when he had young kids, his wife challenged him to take off every day that they were off. So I implemented that in my practice right when I got back, just giving me a little bit more peace when I come home, just to be present with my kids and my wife has been amazing. So if you're thinking about joining the mastermind, one thing I would say to encourage you is I was probably in your shoes. I thought it was a lot to take off the time to go, but really I have reduced the time that I'm in my office, reduced the time that I'm seeing patients and the amount of patients that we see, and we're still growing. And this year, we're going to bring on the implants and more of that to continue to grow clinically. Peace of mind running the business and also being able to grow clinically at the same time, it's all possible.